What's up, everybody? Welcome to my first video. Yes. Yes! 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 Today I'm going to teach you how to make... Oh, why this right here? Dang, what is that? It is Italy. The shape of Italy. But it's made out of coconut shell. Coconut shell? What? Yeah, so let's see how I made this, all right? so this is the finished product. As you can see, it's very shiny. Nice. Bless you. Someone just sneezed. What's up, guys? We're back. So now we get to assemble this. We got our jump ring, got our pliers, our chain, and of course the pendant, right? So first thing we have to do is separate this, right? So we can put it on our pendant. So you grab it right in the middle, and you give it a little. Whoop, you drop it. You gotta drop it. Don't forget. Okay. So it's about there, and it should fit on there very nicely. Okay. So it's on the pendant. We're gonna take our pliers again and just close it back up. Real simple. As we could see, sorry for the angle. Maybe do a little pinch. All right, put it through there. Yes. And then all you gotta do, I guess, is just like put it on, right? Gotta wear it. Ah, dang, look at that. Ooh, dang, wow. Ooh. Look at that. What's up, guys? Just chilling with my plants over here. Just dang, just rocking the Kokoberry. Woo! Alright, so I guess you gotta say this, like, don't forget, like, comment, smash the subscribe button, or smash the like, whatever you're supposed to smash that, okay? And, yo, next video will be out soon, you know? Let's see how this, let's see if this gets more than 20 views, alright? See ya.